Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Okay? The name of this episode is Invite Success to Your Life. Invite success to your life. One message. A drawback of heart. It makes judgment and punishment when others are wrong, but it expects compromise and understanding when we are wrong. Coming to the topic, the YouTube viewers, all of you, please clap with 1 finger, 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, 5 fingers, 4 fingers, 3, 2, 1. Rain came and went off. Okay, that means why we do this exercise? People who are not serious about watching the video, so they will seriously watch. Okay, now ASK, attitude, skill, knowledge. This is success formula. In my earlier lecture also explained about this ASK, attitude, skill, knowledge, which is the success formula. Okay, so my name Hari Prasad. It is an acronym. I already expanded my name in another lecture. So let us do some practicals. Practicals. What practicals we do now? All of you spring up. Spring up means you stood up. Spring up is like this. Stand up means, so there is a lot of spring up and stand up in life. Don't stand up in life, spring up in life so that you come up in life. In the human structure, there are 2 parts, the brain and the body. There are 2 parts. Both parts are to be exercised. That's what I taught in my earlier lecture. Message. I waited 9 months to see the world. 2 years to walk, 3 years to talk, 5 years to study, but I really waited years to have a good friend like you. Okay, coming to the topic, train, track. In the human life, there is one train, one track. Train is your hard skill. Your subject knowledge, technical skill is a train. To run the train, track required. Track is a soft skill. Train is a hard skill, track is a soft skill. Without a track, train won't run. Without a train, track no use. That is why for the human people, what is required? Hard skills required, soft skills required. Hard skills are subject knowledge, soft skills are, I told you already. Okay, so hard skills can be pinned down in the form of certificate. Soft skills are immeasurable, they cannot be measured. Okay, so that is why both hard skills and soft skills required to run properly in life. Speak up something. Speak something. When you speak only, soft skills, speaking skills come. When said no, the backbenchers also awakened. Clap loudly, again, clap. Your performance is better first time or second time? Second time performance better. That is why failures are stepping stones to success. If one failure, don't leave. Again try. Then you become. So, when did you use full energies? First time or second time? Second time. That is why when failed, try second time. Try third time. You will be successful. You need to build pleasing personality, which is very important in life. Express yourself, say something. All of you say, I am great, I am great, I am great. When you feel like this, then you will be successful. Don't be negative, be positive in life. Louder, still louder when I say you are. Then you stop shouting, clapping. I did say stop. Okay? Go on doing the exercise. Bank on your strength, not on your weaknesses. Always bank on your strengths, not on weaknesses. For example, in the human structure, eyes, nose, lips, face, body, hands. In any human structure, in any fellow, in any person, there is one positive asset. That positive asset you have to find out and use it more for your life development. In my structure, my smile is positive. My face is positive. So that's why when I view my mustache like this, or when I say like this, the girl jumps. Why? Why the girl jumps? Because she likes it. So here what is there? The smile, the smile. My smile is, that's why I always use my smile to get through, to win in life. Okay? Everyone will have, for some people height, some people strength, some people fingers, some people eyes, some people laugh, some people smile, some people mustache, some people mustache like this. Okay, why she jumps on me? The reason is because she likes it. That's a positive asset. Your positive asset in your structure, in your body, you need to find, and you have to bank on that. That's your positive asset. Always bank on strengths, not on weaknesses. 3 rules for success I'll give you. At the end, definitely I'll give you. Here I'm giving: think big, do big. Think big always, do big. Follow discipline. Be flexible. These are the 3 rules for success. At the end, I will give 3 more rules for success. Totally 6 rules for success. Message. Dream makes all things lookable. Hope makes all things work. Love makes all things beautiful. But smile makes all the above possible. So, keep smiling always. Okay? Coming to the topic. Attitude and skill constitute 80% of your life. Knowledge constitutes 20%. Attitude and skill 80%. Knowledge 20%. That means in the colleges, in the world, all the colleges, knowledge is only taught. 20% is only taught. What about attitude and skill? Soft skill? That is why attitude and soft skill, that is skill 80%. Knowledge, hard skill only 20%. Only 20% is taught in colleges. 80% you need to develop yourself. That is why the finishing schools coming up today in the world. What the finishing schools are doing, they are doing that 80%. Building is constructed by colleges, then painting and all done nicely by the finishing schools. That is why every college, every university should be a finishing school today. Finished product should come from classroom itself, from the college itself, from the university itself. Finished product. No need to go to the finishing schools. That's what I say. In almost all educational institutions in the world, knowledge is taught. That is 20% is taught. 80% is uncared for. Colleges are available to manufacture doctors, lawyers, professionals and others. No college is available to make a person successful. Is it? Any college available? Hence this seminar. Life depends on the ASK policy, attitude skill policy. This is the success formula. Colleges are concentrating on 20%, 80% I am giving. In the sense, attitude you need to develop, soft skill you need to develop. Attitude and soft skill development also in the college itself it should happen. That means finished product should come out of the college, out of the school, out of the university. Got it? Okay, right? So let us see brain, mind. Brain is hardware, mind is software. Brain's capacity is measured in IQ. Brain's capacity, how it is measured? It is measured in IQ, intelligent quotient. 3 R's of memory. Reception, registration, recall. Memory 3 R's are there, no? R, triple R. Not the film being made by the director, not that. 3 R's here, R, triple R. Here it is memory. Reception, registration, recall. You have to receive anything in your brain, register it, then recall whenever you want. 3 R's of memory required. Then CID is also there. Concentration, interest, dedication. You need to have concentration, you need to have interest, you need to have dedication. Then only you will be a full-blown personality. Okay? Memory management. How memory is managed. Memory management. External memory, internal memory, I say. External memory, mobile phones, cell phones, computers, external memory. What is internal memory? Brain store. In the brain, you need to have the store. Everything in internal memory, not in external memory. Anything you keep in internal memory, not in external memory. Recall memory from your brain whenever you want. Reception, registration, recall, I told you. Concentration, interest, dedication, I told you. These things required. Okay, then only you will have life. People are depending on the external memory, cell phone, feed your friend name you feed in the phone. Why don't you feed here in internal memory? 1,000 names you can feed here. 2,000 you can feed here. The name, number, here you can feed. Not in external memory. That is possible. That is called memory retrieval. Message. 4 is the only word which contains same number of letters in it. 4. How many letters are there? F-O-U-R. 4. 4 is the only word which contains same number of letters in it. Message is over. Coming to the topic, recalling memory. Whenever you want to recall memory, you need to recall. Receive it, store it, register it in the brain, register it in the brain, and recall it whenever required. 12 brain exercises. In my earlier lecture also, I told you about 12 brain exercises. 12 brain exercises one has to do. That means in 12 brain sessions in Max Mental Gymnasium, 12 brain exercises you need to do. Okay? Right? Not only for the body, to the brain also exercises are required. Then only both parts of the structure of the human being, that is brain, body, B square, will be alright. You will be T square, train, track, that also I explained to you. Train is your hard skill, track is your soft skill. Without a train, no track. Without track, no train. That's why both hard skills and soft skills required. Hard skills are your subject knowledge, soft skills you have to acquire for your livelihood. Ideas plus inspiration is equal to miraculous things. First, anything is conceived in the brain and then to physical world. Anything is conceived in the brain only, then comes to the physical world. Man's 3 types of life. I already told you in my earlier lecture. They are man's 3 types of life. I already told you. Private life, public life, secret life. I already told you in my earlier lecture. Now, morals, values, ethics and vision. Morals, values, ethics and vision. One fellow went to circus. So his son is 11. Above 3, he has to buy the ticket. So that fellow went and bought his wife, he and his son, 11-year-old son, went to the circus show. The booking clerk said, your son looks very younger, very small, you don't buy a ticket for him. No, he is 11-year-old. Even then he is not looked like that. He was not seen like that. No, if I don't buy a ticket for him now, he learns all unethical things in life. So I should give him good life. That's why I bought ticket for him also. So that my son will be alright. So morals, values, ethics in life. Indisciplined life is not worth living, Socrates said. This I discussed in my earlier lecture. Working smarter, not harder. This also I discussed in my earlier lecture. So that Mohan fellow entered woodcutting shop. His performance is coming down day in and out because he has not sharpened his axe. One message. Almost is the longest 6-letter word which is written whole word in alphabetic order. Almost, see, almost. Is it not in alphabetic order? It is the almost is the longest 6-letter word which is written whole word in alphabetic order. See, ALMOST. That is almost. It is written in alphabetical order. After A, L comes in the sense after some letters, no? Then L, M, then O, then S, then T. Not immediately. Almost is the 6-letter word which comes alphabetically in English language. Inner strength. Inner strength you need to develop. In my earlier lecture, I already discussed that. Pauper in Saudi Arabia who died finally, I also discussed that. Acres of diamonds in his land was there. He didn't know that, but he went in search of diamonds. Does black balloon also fly? One show was going on. One fellow was selling balloons. Green balloon, white balloon, red balloon, blue balloon, black balloon. Then he observed that somebody is tucking his coat. He saw it. Who is that? Uncle, black balloon also will fly? He asked. Concerned by the boy's question, the man selling the balloons, son, it is not the balloon that is going. It is inside. What is there? That one will take it to the sky. Not the balloon, white, blue, black, no. Inside is there. That inner strength in human beings is required. By that example, we have to understand. Goal setting and goal actualization, I already told you in my earlier lecture. Here, bits of conversation between teacher and Hari. Here, girls and goals must conduct all I explained to you what it was in my earlier lecture. Nagarjuna University students interviewed captains in Machilipatnam port, seaport, that also I explained. McCrack dreamt of China hotels in China, that is also I explained in my earlier lecture. Blueprint for life, that also I explained in my earlier lecture. They are repeating, no? Repeating. In one lecture, one episode, it was given. Means, again, no need to give OT tour. This I am giving here. When you are planning OT tour, 7 days in advance you plan your clothes, what clothes you carry, what toothbrush, this, that, and all you plan. When you plan tour for 7 days in Ooty, where is the plan for whole life, 100 years of life? That is why what I say, you need to have blueprint for life. That I already explained. The message, morning is not only sunrise, but a beautiful miracle of God that defeats the darkness and spreads light. How beautiful the message is. Winning friends, influencing people, that's what I told you about the salesman in USA, that is Dale Carnegie. In my earlier lecture, I explained it. Beggar in gold shop. One beggar went to gold shop and asked, give me 10 rupees, I will have my food. Then gold shop fellow replied, beggar, I will give you 100 rupees. But tell me, in which hotel food is available for 10 rupees? Damal. Beggar has no answer. South African proverb. If there is inside, if there is no enemy, no outside enemy can harm you. That means if you have your own brain doing the right thing, outside enemy cannot come to you. Stress management. Stress can be managed by practicing Kundalini Yoga that I already discussed in my earlier lecture. Coming to relaxation at home. Somebody says homes. So here, a relaxation really not at home. Real drama starts at home. You work hard from dawn to dusk, from morning to evening in the office. Go home. There the real show starts. No relaxation at home. That's why some people have homes. One wife and one missus. Wife somewhere, missus somewhere. They maintain two for getting relaxation. Build invincible self-confidence. Invincible self-confidence you have to build. Hanuman, strength and all, I already told you in my earlier lecture. You are all modern Hanumans. You have the capacity, you have the strength, make use of it. You are all modern Hanumans. Lack of self-confidence is the main element in the youth. Free from this. Youth, I am telling you, lack of self-confidence is of no use. So have self-confidence. Build invincible self-confidence. Then become successful in life. Free from lack of self-confidence now itself. Now, not after 2 minutes, now itself. Here I am reminding you of your strength. Know your energies, potentialities, talents, skills, capabilities. Come to me. I will hold CAT exam. That exam, what it says, that exam, you will know your energies, potentialities, talents, skills and capabilities. Career aptitude test. CAT is career aptitude test. To which field you are suitable. Come to me. I will decide your future, your career. If not to me, to anybody, you go. Then you can get it done. Positive thinking, positive mental attitude you have to maintain. Always wear optimistic glasses, not pessimistic glasses. How you look at the situation is very important. If you look at good, it is good. If you look at bad, it is bad. It all depends on you. I cultivate positive thinking. That is why I am successful. Yes, I am successful. Because I cultivated positive thinking. No negative thinking at all. I am a winner. I am a leader. I am a champion. I am a boss. You too can cultivate positive thinking. All of you stand up and make a promise. YouTube viewers, the students sitting before me, all of you stand up and make a promise. I am a winner. Now I am a boss. Now I am a leader. You promise it now itself? Yes, do. Yes, you can become. What you think, you can become that. Next one is, don't spend major time on minor things and minor time on major things. This is what time management is. Time management means don't spend major time on minor things, minor time on major things. If you don't follow this rule, you may lead to failure. This is what time management is. One bit of conversation between mother and Vandita I will give you. There are two, mother and the son. Mother says, at 5 o'clock, get on, you need to prepare for your exam. Mom, no, not now, after 1 hour, I'll wake up. No, it should not be like that. Why mother is waking you up? What is the reason? For your good only, not for mother. Human relations, maintain human relations. Maintaining human relations is very good in life. human relations. Then assertiveness. If you lack assertiveness, you won't come up in life. Have assertiveness in life. You will come up in life. One anecdote I'll give you now. Never kiss a lawyer. She will say, I object this. Never kiss a nurse. She will say, who is next? Never kiss a teacher. She will say, do it 10 times, do it 10 times. Only joke, don't take it to heart. Enthusiasm on lifelong basis. Not now. Enthusiasm should continue on lifelong basis. Don't marry idea girls. They change your lives. Don't marry Reliance girls. They take you into their hands. Don't marry BSNL girls. They have connections all over the country. Don't marry Airtel girls. They do magic on you. Marry only Vodafone girls. Wherever you go, they also follow you. Just a joke on mobile phones, mobile networks. Message. When you take control of yourself, the world will submit it to you. I wish you a wealthy and healthy day. Before closing, I give you 3 rules for success. Trust your brain. Trust yourself. Trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem. Carpe diem.